Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is February the 12th. I'll be walking you through Realty Income, ticker symbol O. So this is one of the dividend plays that I highly recommend for you folks in my channel to check it out and see if you can add it in your watch list. It's a monthly dividend paying stock, and these are always kind of boring stocks if you ask me. They never grow that much, but they always bring in some consistent dividends, so you can do the dividend reinvestment and then just forget about those. So I'll walk you through currently what I have. So currently the price is 62.61, down for the day by about 0.5%. For the week, it's up by about 2%. For the month, about 9.77%. 3 months, about 1.1%. And for the year, it's down by 20.15%. So you can see it hasn't really fully recovered from last year's March crash. So let's see. So you can see there's a pending dividend which is coming up on February the 16th of $11.82, and I think I have the automatic dividend reinvestment, so it will be reinvested back. You can see I have 50.388874 shares, and that decimal amount comes from the reinvestment. And since it's about $62 a share, it takes a few dividend payouts to make one complete share, so that's why I have it like that. So you can see the average cost I have is 60.92, and I have a total return of about 2%. Let me go through the stats. The volume is pretty low, 279. The market cap is about 23 billion, so it's a big market cap. There's some potential if levels go back to where they were before March last year. And then you can see the 52-week high is about 84.92. So there's some room for folks who are thinking about investing in this stock. So if you think you have some funds, I'll say you try and just add a little bit once in a while, and either average down or up depending on what your current average is. We'll see 20 analysts what they're saying right now. They're saying a 60% giving it a buy, 40% a sell, and none is telling you to sell. 40% hold and 0% sell. So let's see what the bulls are saying. Realty Income provides a reliable, albeit slow-growing monthly dividend built on a steadily performing underlying portfolio through various market conditions. With reasonable leverage and ample liquidity, Realty Income should have the financial flexibility to take advantage of any attractive investment opportunities that may become available. Realty Income operating history, defined underwriting criteria, and expanded portfolio transparency should give shareholders comfort while also maintaining management accountability. See what the bears are saying. Rising interest rates reduce the spread between acquisition cap rates and financing costs, sapping management of its ability to create value through continued external growth. It will take increasingly greater volume of attractive risk adjustment acquisitions to create meaningful shareholder value growth, possibly pushing Realty Income to take more risk as competition expands for its traditionally targeted assets. The value of Realty Income's long-term leases, which altogether exhibit minimal built-in rent growth, are particularly susceptible to rising interest rates. So let's also talk a little bit about some of the major risks having this stock come with. So right now, as you can see, a lot of companies are transitioning to working from home. So make sure if you happen to decide to purchase this stock, you have that in mind. The future is very unpredictable, but most companies are actually even considering permanently having work from home and not leasing offices anymore. For those who had like their own corporate offices, they can still maintain those. But the smaller teams, startups, and all that, for the most part, most people are trying to cut down their costs. So also be very careful and aware about that. A quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Do your own due diligence when looking into stocks, and just don't buy a stock because somebody on YouTube told you to check it out. So let's continue. I'll show you. Currently, there's an uncertainty level is medium based on this research report. If you have Robinhood Gold, it's always a good addition to kind of seeing what ratings are there. And you can see the earnings kind of dipping from Q1 2020 going to Q3. It's just trending downwards, and everybody knows why. Let's talk about history. So I started purchasing this on November the 4th, and I did another buy on November 11th, and I started receiving the dividends on December the 15th. So it's just a consistent $10, not much, but it doesn't have to get that amount either. So let's talk about the company. Realty Income Corp is a real estate company which engages in generating dependable monthly cash dividends from a consistent and predictable level of cash flows from operations. It operates through rental segment. The company was founded by William E. Clark Jr. and Evelyn John Clark in 1969 and is headquartered in California. Listed name for all is Realty Income Corporation. 194 employees, and I think if you like this company, go check their financials. I think Yahoo Finance is also a good site. You can always go in and plug in the ticker symbols, check their financials from there if you don't want to go to the main website, and just review, see what other people are saying, see who owns more shares of the company. Also, a quick reminder, we're growing the channel real fast. We already crossed 100 subscribers. Thank you very much, each one and one of you that are supporting the channel. Subscribe to this channel for more updates, more stocks, and also some strategies. We're planning to have option plays in the future. We're planning to do a review of the whole portfolio, as well as just providing guidance on some of the plays that we haven't even talked about yet. Give this video a thumbs up so that we can be favored by the YouTube algorithm. We will really appreciate it. Comment on the section down below and let me know how many shares you have for Realty Income, and if you think dividend investing is still dead, or if you're into growth investing. Thank you so much. Be green, be safe. See you in the next one.